Well, we continue to stay on top of several wildfires burning in our state. The Bolt Creek fire is only 5% contained, but the good news, it hasn't grown.
Yeah, the fire has scorched more than 9,400 acres, or for a better reference for you, it's burned an area twice the size of Linwood. So we are a week into the fire, and crews, they just don't know what sparked it yet. Right now, they're trying to direct the flames away from high-risk areas like homes and other structures. They're also working to monitor any flare-ups. One structure has been damaged, and most evacuation orders have been scaled back.
The Goat Rocks fire is still burning near Packwood. It's now more than 3,200 acres. There are no more leave now evacuations in place, but everyone in the town is being told to keep an eye on orders in case things change quickly. Lightning sparked that fire back in August. It's not expected to be contained until next month.
And the White River and Irving Peak fires are now 5% contained. Combined, they've burned roughly 7,000 acres. Crews think it could be the end of October before things are wrapped up. Both fires have been burning for weeks and were started by lightning.